Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechMT. Hey, in this video we're going to see the procedure on how you can reset your Windows 10 local account password for free. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the red subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon to learn something new. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, let me show you that this PC is protected with a user password, and we're going to see on how we can unlock or reset this password for free. To reset your Windows 10 password using this method, you need to have access to another Windows computer and an empty USB pen drive or a compact disk. Once you have them, visit lacesoft.com on another Windows computer, and you can find the link here in the description of this video. Then choose LaceSoft Recover My Password under Products tab. To recover your forgotten Windows password, you need to download this free piece of software for the personal use. Using this tool, you can reset local administrator password, domain administrator password, retrieve product keys from Windows installations, unlocks and enables user accounts, supports all these types of operating systems, works on all laptops or desktop computers, supports UEFI boot mode and BIOS boot mode, and much more. To download this LaceSoft Recover My Password software, click on this download free trial button, and this will take you to this download page. Now you should download this free LaceSoft Recovery Suite Home Edition to your computer. Once you have the installation file, just install it on your computer by following the on-screen instructions and launch the software. Now you need to install this on any one of the removable drive like CD or pen drive. I'm using a pen drive and just plug it to one of the USB port to proceed with installation. Now choose Burn CD or USB disk. This will get you to this media builder. Select the destination operating system version. I'm here choosing same as this computer. If you need more options, you can check these. Now choose Next, then pick the installation drive. I'm here choosing the USB flash drive. If you use a CD or DVD, check this option. Once everything is good, click on Start. You'll see this message like, do you want to format this USB disk? Choose Yes. That's it. It will now create you a bootable Windows 10 password recovery media. It will take around a minute or two to complete the process. Once done, just reboot your computer, then change the first booting device to the pen drive. If you use CD or DVD, choose that. Now you'll get this screen and press enter to choose LaceSoft. It will take few minutes to load all the files, and you'll get this window once everything sets up. Here choose Password Recovery, then choose Reset Windows Password, then click on Next. Now accept the license agreement, as this is a free tool for the non-commercial use. If you are using for the business, you need to purchase it. As this is for the personal use, click on Yes. Then you'll see the current operating system, which is Windows 10 in this case. And we are here to reset the Windows 10 password, so click on Next. In this window, you'll see the list of user accounts. Choose the one that you would like to reset the password, then click on Next. Now finally, click on Reset or Unlock to remove the password for the user account you selected. Click OK, then finish the process, and then reboot the computer. Make sure to change the booting order back to Windows, then you can log into Windows 10 without any password. That's it for this quick video. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please hit the like button and consider sharing this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Your contribution is more to us. This is Praveen signing off. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.